Mario,
Yeah,
you're in good time?
thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Oh, that's good. So Mario, we already see your resume. I think it's pretty amazing. You have good grades in your school, but you also have you have good activities apart from school. But right now, this interview is more to see what can you tell us that is not in here, or that you can explain to us what is in here. We already see it. I'm not gonna ask you about specific things that I already seen here. So the first thing that I liked a lot is that you went to Tec de Monterrey in Hermosillo. I also went in there, and I think, well, that's pretty good. So can you tell me what did you decide to go there to that school?
Well, why did I decide to go to ITESM? Well, the answer is very clear. This school that you also studied to has a lot of prestige, with quality, with teachers, with students, environment that help you to improve, to advance, to see that you can do a lot of things, you can learn a lot of stuff, and there's not only the school, there's a lot of more. Besides, as right now, you also can have connections, you can meet very interesting people like you right now. It's an example of what I'm saying, and helped me a lot in a lot of aspects in my life. So studying in Tecnológico Monterrey has been one of the most important and correct decisions that I have taken in my life.
Well, I really agree with you. Well, if I may,
That was kind of a debate. And the last one was International Club, when I meet four new people from French, Brazil, and other countries. And in all these different activities, I interact with the people, I learn new stuff, I manage how to treat and work with other persons with different cultures, and it helped me a lot to have the skills that I have right now.
well, I think that's very interesting. And I think that these activities is what really develops you into the person you really are. So, apart from attempting to college, what kind of education have you had? Like, own researches, I don't know if you like to read or search the web. I don't know, what can you tell me, well, what kind of education have you had?
Well, for example, at reading, I mostly read about adventures and not very educational ratings of books, but I always read the news, the magazines that have interesting facts, facts that could help me in my career where I work. Also, I studied a few courses in Harmon Hall. What else? I have apps in my cell phone, so I can learn to speak in French. Well, not learn, because I also study French and Chinese in the Unison. So I only have this application so I can practice and don't forget. Another education I have is in Linguatec, where I learn how to write and understand the huge amounts of information. And that's the courses beside the school that I have taken, reading or learning.
That's very good. I mean, it's always good to keep learning, not just leave learning at school, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, okay, apart from all that, how do you spend your spare time?
Well, my spare time, I actually have very little spare time. So when I have it, I mostly use it so I can have TV, relax with my family, and do things that I kind of relax me and get me away of the stress, so I can work and do the things that I have to do at the maximum capacity.
That's very intelligent.
Can we start closing it?
So, in this field, what kind of qualifications do you think you can bring to the table here?
Well, as you know, Roberto, I would like to have the position of public relationship manager. And as you can see, I have very skills with training people. I have empathy. I can organize a lot of groups. I manage to control hard situations. I have the skill that I always think and react in a very objective way. I don't let my emotions to control. I control them. And I'm very good at perceiving what the people want and help the people, in this case the company, to express it well. I can help the company inside and outside to let the people at society know, the customers, what are our goals and what do we want. So that's how I can help you, and that will make me very successful in this field.
Okay, we're glad to hear that. And just one last question. How many hours a day do you think a person should work and why?
Okay. I think that a person should work about 8 to 10 hours, but with recess, with not all the 8 hours for one shot. No, you have to have a few moments for yourself, because I believe that if you keep working and working, you get stressed and you cannot work at the same efficiently. That you have a little break, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, that's enough, so you can continue working at the same potential that you have.
Well, those are smart answers. I think you're a pretty smart guy. We'll keep this, and you can be confident. We'll be in touch. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for your time, Roberto.
See you later.
See you later.